Hello, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Audra, the marketing and content producer at Sallie Tomato. It is day 2 of our 2025 Advent box. Today's item is perfect for small projects, cozy gifts, or bag accents. Day 2. Embrace the season with something both traditional and stylish. Try this with your day 4 surprise. It's a perfect match. Today we're unveiling a 1/4 yard of Fireside Plaid cork. It has enough to make 2 projects. This brand new cork design is being launched exclusively in our Advent box, and we couldn't wait for you to see it. It was inspired and brought to life for this purpose, and it's a tradition we hope to continue. When sewing with Sallie Tomato cork, we recommend a Microtex needle, but you can also use a universal 80/12 without any problem. Cork is non-woven, so it does not fray. It's also stain resistant and water resistant. And if you do need to clean it, simply wipe it with a damp cloth and mild detergent and let it air dry. Keep this item close for an upcoming quick and stylish project. We hope this brand new design is a highlight to your holiday crafting. One other quick note, this cork is available today on sallietomato.com. So if you want to purchase more or buy some for a friend, it's the perfect opportunity. Stay tuned for tomorrow's unboxing and find a great notion to pair with this fun cork. There might even be some still Advent boxes left on our website, so don't miss your chance. And if we've sold out, sign up for our newsletter below to get early access when the 2026 Advent box launches. Please share and show off your photos of your completed projects. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and the hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching and happy sewing.